Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Emboss Resist card with the Joyful Flurry bundle. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you the embossed resist technique. This is one of my favorite techniques because I love to do watercolor with this technique. So I start with a piece of shimmery white cardstock, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4, but I might end up trimming it down. And I'm just going to use a little bit of background scratch paper, and I'm gonna use the embossing buddy all over the cardstock to get off any oils from my fingers or dirt, etc. I've got my white embossing powder and my Versamark ink pad, and I'm just going to start with the largest stamp. And you want to have lots of light so you can see, because it's going to be a little bit hard to see since it's clear. And just try to kind of remember where you stamped. So stamp the large one up there, and then I'm going to stamp another one over here. And then I'll go down to the next largest one. We'll put one in here and over here and down here. And then the next largest one, I don't know. I'm gonna try and fit it right there. Okay. And we'll do one in the bottom corner here. And then we have our little snowflake. So this one we can kind of plop in wherever there is room. And then we quickly want to pour the embossing powder on it. So I'll do one side at a time. All right, once you have everything embossed, we are going to do some watercoloring. So today I'm going to use Pool Party and Highland Heather. So I've got my ink ready in the tops of the ink pads, and I'm just going to squeeze this to get the brush wet. And I'm just going to start by putting water all over the cardstock. So squeeze out a little bit more and just go ahead and get it wet. Like super wet. And then I'm just going to start adding, as I squeeze, some drops of color here and there and wherever, and just hopefully let it bleed in the water. Just bleed all over. Okay, got blue. Okay, now we're gonna get some Highland Heather. Just drop some on here around where the blue is. I don't really want it to blend too much because I don't want to get like any murky colors. Just want to take a little bit of purple there. Get the rest of this. And then we'll see if we can add some over here. And then we're just kind of letting the water do its thing. Okay, now I have dried this, and because it got wet, it's a little bit warped, so I'm going to make sure to add a little bit of extra adhesive in the middle to try to keep everything flat. And then around the edges, I'm gonna layer it on some Highland Heather. Trying to get it as flat as I can. All right, next I have some pool party ribbon, and I'm just going to wrap this around. This is my little trick, and then I'll tie a bow and add it. I just find this easier to do. Let's see, I think I want it up a little bit higher this time. So I just add a little bit on each side. Okay, so now I can just go through here, and I'll just cut off, and then I can tie a bow and then add, and it'll just be easier. And then you can just trim the edges. Okay, now I've already cut out some elements. So I have sending from the sending bundle and dies, and I've used the adhesive on the back. So here's the bundle, Joyful Flurry, and it's got all these nice sentiments and snowflakes and dies to cut out the snowflakes and labels for the sentiments, which I love. And then all these other fun pieces that cut out snowflakes in the paper, not out of the paper. And I want to use this sentiment right here, sending you all the best this new year. So I'm just going to use sending and then all the best this new year. So it will be perfect. So I'm just going to add this right about there. Okay, so I'm going to do sending. And then I have cut out some of the little snowflakes from the glimmery paper, and I've got some Highland Heather snowflakes as well. And I'm just going to put these, layer these on together with some glue dots. So I'm just going to roll up a glue dot and place it on the white shimmer paper, and then I'm going to offset it, and then I will roll up another glue dot, and then I will add it to the Highland Heather paper, and then I think we'll add this one like here. So I will stamp this snowflake first. And then I will stamp a couple and pool party. So now I'm going to layer some of the snowflakes. So I think I will put maybe this one on here and this one on here. And this one I'm gonna do mini dimensional. So I used the die from the sending dies for the sentiment, And now I'm gonna stamp the sentiment and cut it out using the Snowflake dies. So I'm just going to ink up the bottom portion of the sentiment. All right, now we have our sentiment. So sending all the best this new year. And then we will add some rhinestones. Need rhinestones. So let's see, we'll do a medium one on this one. And then we'll do some small ones on these. And then I will use one of these rhinestones to dot the eye. It's just an easier way to dot the eye. And there is our embossed resist snowflake card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the Joyful Flurry bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. It includes supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. We have a double window fold card and a shaker bridge card that folds flat. Super fun. So check out my website and click on the ordering link, and then just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this card using the Joyful Flurry bundle. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. See you next time. Bye.